Hello and welcome to Advanced Navigation's unboxing video series. At Advanced Navigation, we're dedicated to pioneering high-accuracy navigation and robotics technology for the most demanding applications. Across defense, mining, marine, and aerospace, our solutions power critical operations, from autonomous platforms and precise mapping to robust positioning in extreme environments. Evaluation kits, or EKs, are designed to empower engineers like you to understand what comes in each EK, facilitate rapid setup and accelerate your test programs, enabling you to get your solutions into the field faster and with greater confidence. And with our dedicated support engineers, who are also application experts, we're committed to creating a seamless experience for you every step of the way. Today, we're focusing on our Certus and Certus Evo series of high-accuracy GNSS and INS solutions. At Advanced Navigation, we specialize in high-accuracy navigation utilizing our world-leading microelectromechanical systems technology. The Certus series, including the Certus and Certus Evo, delivers high-precision GNSS and INS performance. Both are built for demanding environments in mining, defense, marine, autonomous applications, and more, providing reliable data even when other systems might struggle. Certus combines temperature-calibrated accelerometers, gyroscopes, magnetometers, and a pressure sensor with a dual-antenna GNSS receiver. These are coupled in an advanced fusion algorithm to deliver accurate and reliable navigation data. It features low swap-C, internal data logging, and multiple communication interfaces for easy integration. The Certus Evo offers fog-like performance combined with the reliability and affordability of MEMS sensors, while still offering low swap-C, internal data logging, and multiple communication interfaces for easy integration. Certus and Certus Evo are available as OEM variants that have no external ruggedized casing. This allows you to integrate Certus and Certus Evo seamlessly within your specific application and form factor, using only the inputs and outputs you require. Let's get to unboxing. The Certus and Certus Evo evaluation kits come in this rugged transport case. This is the evaluation kit for both Certus and Certus Evo units. Let's start with the heart of the kit, the Certus Evo unit in this case. Certus uses two circular push-pull type LEMO connectors for power supply and signal connections. One connector has 8 pins and the other has 16 pins. These connectors provide reliable and rugged connections, rated to IP67 when mated. The pins on these connectors handle power and various signal connections like Ethernet, 1 PPS, RS-232 and RS-422, CAN bus, and GPIO. The kit also supplies 2 GNSS antennas. These antennas come equipped with ground planes and pole mounting points. Next up, the kit contains 2 4 meters RG58/U antenna cables with SMA to TNC connectors. The kit also contains an 8-pin breakout cable providing Ethernet, 1 PPS, and power input, a 16-pin I/O breakout cable providing connections to the primary, auxiliary, CAN bus, GPIO, and power ports. Next up, the kit contains an RS-232 and RS-422 to USB adapter cable with switching input. The kit also includes a 24-volt DC power supply unit, compatible with 100 to 240-volt AC mains electricity. And lastly, a waterproof cap, essential to maintain IP67 rating when a connection remains unused. At Advanced Navigation, we offer comprehensive customer support. Our dedicated engineering support and application experts are readily available to assist you. We pride ourselves on fast response times and hands-on assistance throughout your entire process. Your successful integration is our priority. Don't hesitate to reach out with questions. That concludes our unboxing and overview of the evaluation kit. We hope this has provided a clear understanding of the components you'll receive to kickstart your integration and development. For more detailed specifications, documentation, or support, please visit our website or contact our sales team. Thank you for watching.